Good morning. Today is Thursday. I think it's 20 here the current time. 17, I don't know. Tokyo, Singapore trading session. We are in Tokyo, Singapore. Oh, right on. Aussie cat just alert. 0.9 Aussie cat. We go there in a minute. Aussie cat 0.9. Okay. Just take a look at the news. And this is the US Swiss franc. We'll come back to it. Hang on. Take a look at the news. Oh, alert. Where is my news? So Aussie employment chain a little bit better than the forecast, but less than the previous. Aussie full employment. So anyway, that is something going on here. We look GBP JPY, Aussie JPY, GBP JPY also. Okay, let's see GBP JPY. Alright, I just start many things to be look at GBP JPY. We go to GBP. GBP. Where is the GBP? Alright, GBP JPY is this one. According to the rest of GBP, this is very much obvious to see the move. This still hold the ground. If they still hold the ground for GBP New Zealand and GBP Aussie are moving down furthermore. Okay, we look at GBP JPY. Make it bigger. So this is the alarm. Tell me to come and watch at this area. Now we know that GBP USD, that was the alert. I will put more of the alert if they can take out this guy. I'll put just right. Okay. I'll put around here this line. Okay, set me the alert. I want to buy. I think it's the ask price. Okay, ask price. I don't know why it's for sale. Show pop up and press sound. Okay, I just need that line in. Alright, and I want them to pull back about this test guy. Okay, let's do that. If I say bid, what happened? For sale, it doesn't matter. Take, give me that. Okay, this is the, when it pulling back, I like to see a little notice about the divergence is this guy going up and this slightly following. No problem with that. That's the candle movement. This green line candle movement, they're following. But the red line, this one is following and move down, not just as much as this, and then turn back, like they're pulling back, and to go up higher, to try the next level. But the way they go up, this dotted line, the way they go up is not catching this guy. It's more differential in here. So this is divergent. Okay. So here, GBP USD. Oh no, GBP JPY. That what we was alert for. I move it a little bit up higher weekly to see what happened, and I want to go to see the direction of the big player intention. This belong to this guy, and he will smash this thing down pretty soon after the test. This is the first test pullback for the buyer, but the way they pull back is very strong. Look in detail. Strong pullback. Buyers still try their chance. They still want to buy, but the momentum is not very look promising, because they not even make higher than this guy. Pullback still going on. To go to the second level is this guy, to test him. I just want to put the okay. Alright, I put the warning. Touch here, let me know. And touch here, let me know. So that's the weekly. I don't know if they can ever touch there, but I have so far today it being alert. I think it's this line when they touch, and this line. So I got the alert. Test one, don't go even further, but instead pulling back very high. Test the second level, go on sideways to the minor sideways test, and moving down. Test one fail, test two fail, put in channel, but the third channel is this guy being controlled. There has to play the fight of a price gain. That's daily. It's need to go down further as its channel down. But this guy channel up. They want to go up. Is the hot spot for sure. H4. So the price still continues going down. I touch my warning line. That's 4 hours. How many? It's look like if it's gonna put in the channel this way, it need to be passed through this guy. When they do that, I will get the alert. Right now we just observe the market. Spend too much time. I try to make it quicker. We formation. This have a little test here. Very soon, very quick, desperately moving up. Test at this level, 2 tests at second level, the third no high because it's challenged this guy. He's still alive. He's back, or this guy giving up, taking the catching out the money, profit. Let the things moving back through this level where I put my mark line. Still not sign of turn back, pull back for people to get in. So that's the 1 hour. 15 minutes. 15 minutes is just cheese kind of thing. Break out this from here. Last night, yesterday, and last night, pull back, respect a little bit, not respect. See if he respect this or just go through full throttle and through this guy, like when the way they come up. That's the first hour of London market. It's passing 47 minutes past. That's the first candle. GBP JPY was checked to compare to the sequence across the board. Who is who? Window shopping? As it is, the alert gives the far best price to follow is GBP JPY. The intention of this, according to the news, Japanese news, make the Japanese stronger. GBP not yet. We have to check for the GBP news today across the board. The other pair was alert this morning is Aussie CAD at 0.9, GBP JPY 188.9. We go to Aussie CAD to see what happened in a bit. Okay, I need here Aussie CAD 1 hour sequence, 1 hour chart, Aussie CAD and USD CAD move in sequence, correlate. Aussie CAD and Aussie USD. GBP Aussie in the back now. Euro Aussie. That means GBP and Euro moving down in correlate. Also Aussie JPY. Aussie JPY. We was looking GBP JPY. We have JPY strong. Today JPY is strong according to the news this morning. Asian market open. So let's take a look at Aussie CAD in the big. Okay, quick move. Just take a peek where we are in the universe. Okay, how can you step against the strong force of the buyer? who intended to sell at monthly and just moving to the top of the range somewhere around here. Compare from channel down to sideways. In sideways is channel up, and we are in the hotspot in the mid of buyers still trying, seller waiting at the key level to smashing this down, but the price is still running. How can we figure out when they're gonna stop buying? Still very strong candle. Have to keep eye on that. And this reach to the top, and this red thing trying to go down, but they can't. It's strong. Force of the buyer still not ending at the key level where they're gonna fight. Keep eye on that. Aussie cat here and here. Okay, I will mark this line to signal me. I don't know, because they're gonna, if they have to go up, if not so desperate, waiting for the new and everything, they have to move, pull back, fight around here, take in order before they go up again, according to the news to come today. We keep eye on this thing. I put the alert on already here. Alright, let's move on to see a whole sequence across the board. That's the Aussie cat across the board. Aussie, what they look. Aussie sideways, still on top of the range that Aussie switch from. Switch from is strong, but they, at higher time frame, they're taking a break. I don't want to go back in there again. Aussie New Zealand sideways on the top of the range, ready to go up to the north if they can maintain this line, this level. Aussie JPY weak. Aussie is weak, not correlate. GBP Aussie, GBP weak, not very clear picture, all of these things. Let's see. Euro and GBP are synchronized. Let's see one by one in the single chart move. Start from Aussie New Zealand, go quick, sideways on top of the range, sideways. Aussie switch from, ready to go down. If the big buyer on the weekly, monthly say I'm coming back, this is gonna be smashed. So far Aussie cat that we warning alert this morning at 0.9 somewhere here, and that's they're trying to do their thing. At the first candle of the London market, support from the Asian move this price up, breaching every price from the last 3 days, and this is challenge this guy, a critical key issue level from the monthly and so on. Aussie cat. Okay, next. Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Sven, Aussie cat, Aussie USD. Also up. Aussie is strong, up, and but sideways. Aussie USD, Aussie JPY weak, JPY is strong, touching this guy for the first level of reaction. Sideways market at London market, what the Londons will say. And my line is way down. If I mean to trade today, I want somebody to give me a signal. Let's see, this area, the first guy, the key level of this issue guy is here, very close now. But if they mean to get through or playing a probe around here, I want the probe to show me if there is. Put the line there, warning me. So as well, if they break this thing, they have to pull back from me. Don't leave without me. This guy will be resistant after all a fight. This is my line. Okay, give me this. Okay, alright, we make a warning alert Aussie JPY, and just JPY, is hot. Okay, next is GBP Aussie. GBP Aussie on sideways, low GBP in the bottom of the range if there is a range, and that means Aussie is strong, GBP is weak. Just keep that in mind. GBP also weak against Aussie. So anyway, we go further. Euro Aussie. Euro come first. Euro weak, Aussie strong. But they're weak at the come close to the level where the higher time frame will smash them up pretty well. Just a quick look at that. 4 hour will really get ready to smash this thing up, but we have to wait for the signal. So this is the daily. The daily only come to the halfway if they want to smash this thing up. They have to fight with this, the intention of the seller. They put their first leg there, and they need the second leg to show that they are really real, mean something. At least give me 2 legs, and then we're talking about to go to this to sideways direction. I need to see if they come in to get this guy down, because the second leg need to run somehow. I put the things up, and this is okay. I put my red line there, and so that's the daily. Is still far away. Weekly, even see sideways market in the middle is of the range. So weekly is being in a not a good place to put any position in here for the weekly. The weekly need to show that they can bring the price down to where they was happy for the buyer to buy again. That's not looking good for the monthly of the Aussie. Euro Aussie. Euro was trying. Aussie pushed the euro down for quite low, and the euro managed to move the price back to challenge the seller who was controlled up here, the market. They have a long way, half almost of the way to reach this area. So I don't know what happened to Euro Aussie. They are fighting. So let's go back to another pair. Okay, the monthly, this is the sideways market, and we need to go down because it's squeezing. Not good place, but if we think about sideways market at this level, what they are going to do, we need to go to look weekly also not saying much. They're still fighting on this middle point of this two party in the middle. Not good place to put any position. But when looking the lower time frame, you want to trade soon, you have to looking for something. Okay, the divergent or not, they are following the price like normal. Okay, nothing happening, any diversion yet, except this one. From here to here it's lower, from here to here it's higher. I don't know, from here to here look normal. Anyway, it's not clear. Go back to 4 hours. So I just come and help to look just briefly. It takes so much time on top-down approach, but that is very crucial. We have to be aware on this thing, what happened to this. So let's put it back to the sequence. That's so far Aussie still the one that warning us. Aussie cat is still running. Sister pair is Aussie USD, USD and Canadian dollar is same geopolitical like Australian and New Zealand. Where is the New Zealand? Aussie and New Zealand are the same geopolitical. Anyway, we have to move on. Just a quick look on Euro JPY, because it's giving a good sequence. Just only this Euro JPY pair from monthly. Look at this here, monthly, and this is sequence. The on the monthly, weekly, I need to put back into another way of looking at this, but so far it's put in this way: monthly, weekly, here, daily, here to here is bottom of the range, and 4 hours just keep continuing dropping, falling. 1 hour bridge to the last yesterday, no sign of pulling back yet. It's just she's day, or else it will pulling back at this moment of London market. According to the news, I don't know what will happen. We look at the chart now. The euros trying to move the price back, or I call pull back, because right now the intention of the euro sell euro is quite a long time from yesterday until now. They have to stop and pull back somehow. So here is the first sign after a small 15-minute chart. First leg, second leg, third leg, they still they reduce the action, the price pull back. At the lower time frame is so far 3 minutes pull back in to possibly. We have to look to the sequence of JPY for the next to understand if euro will pull back and JPY will smack it down right again after they get a better price. Where is the better price? Far better price for me is, I think it's around here. 1 hour chart put me the price alert. Okay, right here. Alright, close. Let's get look good sequence. Where did I put the price? Here. If they pull back to this level for today, I will have to pay attention, because this can be something according to the reading on the correlation. So all euro pair, I hope correlation will show us. Right now euro is weak against Japanese yen, and this morning we check on GBP and JPY. They also, GBP look weak versus Japanese yen. So that's what it is. Japanese yen single pair from euro, JPY.